folks, Expat Diaries again. We are here camping again as we always do. We love camping, and this month in Thailand there's a Buddhist holiday for 3 days. I believe it's a Buddhist Lent day, so a lot of people are camping now, and it's good that people will get to have breaks, and people need that, recharge, unplug, whatever. So this is a new campsite, but still in Pitsanulok. The name of this campsite is View Camp, and it's nice here. And this video that I'm going to show you will be just clips of the area here. A personal thing, it's okay to bring alcohol, but you should not drink in public places, just out of respect to the Buddhist Lent. I think it's okay, and just, stay in your tent or whatever. Just do not do it in public places. So I will not talk anymore. I will show you around the area. Cheers. Expat Diaries.